How to fix Snapchat not showing friend list. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can fix if Snapchat is not showing your friend list. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, what you can do is simply restart your Snapchat application. So for that, close your application completely. Again, reopen to refresh your friend list. Now open up Snapchat and then check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to clear Snapchat cache. For that, you have to navigate to the Snapchat application, tap and hold on it. Tap on app info here, scroll down a bit and head towards storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, you can go back and check for the issue. If it still persists, then make sure that the application is up to date. So to check for the updates, open a Play Store. Navigate to the search icon and in the search bar, search for Snapchat and make sure that the application is up to date. If any updates are available, make sure to update up the application. Once the update is complete, now go back and check for your issue if it is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to log out and log back in. So open up Snapchat. Tap on your profile icon at the top left, tap on settings, scroll down and here tap on logout. After logging out, sign back in to refresh your account data and check whether you can find your friend list or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to verify your friend status. So open up Snapchat, tap on the add icon at the top right and here search for the friend. If their profile appears with add button, then they might have unadded or blocked you. So in that case, all you got to do is wait until that contact unblock you again. But if that's not your case, then what you can do is reinstall the Snapchat application. Uninstall the application and then reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. Then log into your account and check if the friend list loads correctly. And that's how you can fix if you're not able to see your friend list on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.